Hi kids, welcome to Tiny Prince Art Academy. It's our fourth class of landscape today. Landscape is a very vast subject. It also consists of birds and animals. We will learn to draw duck today, trying to keep my lines as simple as possible. But frankly, there are no shortcuts to practice. Keep practicing for perfect shapes. Adding wings and ripples in water. To break water body, I am drawing straight line using scale. Now adding greenery at distance. Tall grass in front. Drawing sun which is hiding partly behind greenery. I am using medium yellow for sky. Coat full sky in medium yellow. I am using light blue for water. Using sleeping line stroke, which will remain common, to depict still water. Make sure you do not change stroke. Continue doing sleeping line stroke throughout for water. Now using same light blue, I am increasing pressure so that the color looks more brighter, but stroke remains same, sleeping line stroke. Now I am adding one more line for ripple which I forgot. Continue doing the inner ripple in light blue. Now I am using red for sun. Coat it well. Just the outer rim of the sun. To depict sun rays, I am using orange in circular motion. Blend using finger for smooth finish. I have 3 greens over here. Starting the down part of the greenery with deep green. Followed by deep green, I have emerald green over here. And top part of the greenery goes into light green. To depict reflection, I am using orange in sleeping stroke, just creating random lines only till duck's body. Now I am taking white and blending this entire light blue to give smooth finish. Now you can apply more pressure so that your finishing looks good. This is darker blue. Name is cerulean blue in your palette. The outer ripple, I'm going to use this darker blue. I'm going ahead and creating more depth to the water with this darker blue. For duck's body, I'm taking geranium red color from the palette, and I'm only coating the sides of the duck's body. Followed by this red, I'm taking pink from palette. This is light pink from the palette. And followed by those lines, I'm creating one more line with pink. Now I will take white and start blending this pink into circular motion. I am taking same geranium red followed by pink, and the down part of the wing is red. Geranium red, normal red, that's primary red, and blending it with white. Primary red, geranium red and white. Pink and blend it with white. I'm taking yellow ochre for the beak, followed by dark brown, highlighting eyes and eyeball. For tall grass, I'm using deep green, light green, and again deep green. Blend it well. Now I'm taking tissue. Since it's a larger area, I'm using tissue to blend this water part. Blend it well for smooth finish. And our duck landscape is almost ready. Before we finish, take black crayon for highlighting. Please follow on Facebook page Tiny Prince Art Academy. Share it with your friends and family so that more kids can benefit out of these tutorials. Also, please share your work. Do share your snaps in the comment box. And there, our landscape with duck is ready. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Like, share and follow.